Okay, this sort of needs to be quite flat. Yep. So again, just keep working through the issue here. We're just creating as part of the palm, so I can go cut again. Let's cut some more detail in. So step-by-step process, and it really isn't so much more complicated than that. So I'll go yes again. I'm going to go here. Yes again means Y, repeat the tool. F9. And just continually start to drag out more detail. So that's the way I like the model. Very free flow and very simple and effective. So you basically pick up how you want to model over the years. To that edge, and this edge. Essentially we just sort of start working the problem like so. Move this all the way up here, and this one I'm going to put to here, so I might just join those together, and I'm just going to create one detail. Come on. Just do that. Plug this two together, merge, and just sort of connect it all up. And I'll do the same for here. So this is the gist of it, really. You just keep working and working the problem until it's finished. Okay, you can see always a good idea to look at it from multiple angles to make sure you got it all correct. And bring in the palm like so. Okay. Alright, I think I'm just going to leave this tutorial pretty close to this. Just turn off wireframe on shader, just have a look at how blur it is. So it's pretty much disjointed as hell. Might be a good idea just to sort of just select everything and go up into our polygon mode, and we're going to go to the normals here. Normals are how it's smoothed out. If you go soften edge, your whole model will be smoothed out like so, except in where it hasn't been joined. Areas in the fingernails, for example, if you were to just go into F10 and sort of select out these edges here, if I can select them. You can go harden edge, and the net result is have like a fingernail looking fingernail, I suppose. So it's not really that difficult to do this. So I go hold down Control and do an edge loop. I'll sort of select the ones I want anyway. Just add to the selection here, and just do harden edge again. I'll just repeat that process. Just select it. Now I should have hit G on the keyboard. Nope. Oh, of course, the last repeated command was soft poly. Select edge loop, and soften edge. I'm sorry, harden edge. So several ways of doing the same thing. You would have noticed that I can repeat commands by hitting G, but you can also go in and select the previous commands. Okay, by holding down the space bar and going to recent commands, and just finishing off selection like so, because it's not going to work 100% all the time. And of course we've got our thumb here. Should have finish the thumb a little bit better. But I'll leave that up to you, essentially, to really finish it off. It's all a matter of time and commitment to getting the job done. But essentially this is a pretty good baseline to begin really going forward with the hand. Now, of course, it's not brilliant. For me, the thumb sticks out way too much. Tweaking that's not too difficult though. I'll just sort of select it and move it in. Select these vertices here. Move them in. So it's just like, it can be a never-ending tweak, to be honest. So at some stage you sort of go, oh yeah, that's pretty good. I'm just gonna sort of stick with that. So maybe it's a bit too fat or something. You can go on and on and on and on with this process. But, you know, probably how it was originally was pretty much how I would like it anyway. So I think it's alright. I think maybe you can move some more vertices around and whatever. Okay, that's probably a better tweak. Pull this up and yeah, get the idea up. But yeah, that's pretty much it, so save it out. But if you want to join it all together, of course, you know, you just grab it all. You go to mesh and you hit combine, which joins it all together. Then of course it's still not welded together. So for instance, I grab this vertex, you know, it's not joined. So, you know, you just select the areas you want to weld, and especially around here as well. And you just go to edit mesh and merge, just turn on your hotbox settings. Or you just hit merge. And especially if you use snap in the operation, it should be pretty much spot on. Shouldn't be any issues at all with it welding. But you can change your poly merge distance here, of course. But of course you get this effect where it welds more than what you want. But it is tweakable. But that's pretty much the process for joining it together. And I go to the edge mode. Just select these edges here, everything but the thumb. And I'm just going to go, I'm in the nails. I'm just going to soften edge. And go to base mode. But you know, this is going to be pretty good for a hand. You'd work on the wrist after this, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how you go about making a hand in a sense. Use your own hand as a reference wherever possible. It really is right in front of you, so if you have any like doubts about what it should look like, you know, put your hand in front of your face and look at it. Yeah, that's it. So thanks very much for watching my tutorial. Okay, I'm out of here.